Wi-Fi is introducing Site Vantage, a state-of-the-art new product to give you full visibility on your radio site's performance. Site Vantage will revolutionize the way RF site monitoring and preventative maintenance is done. It will become an integral part of every radio site and will help the operator to minimize the cost of ownership, maximize the network availability, and enhance the user's experience.
Fully designed and manufactured in RFI's facility in Adelaide, Australia, Site Vantage benefits from the latest available hardware and software technologies. Apart from the usual monitoring capabilities such as transmit power and RX level per channel, as well as transmit antenna VSWR, this new product is also ready for more advanced features in future. These will include receive antenna VSWR, receive distance detection, and as well as pin degradation detection, to name a few.
The 3 independent receive ports facilitate the use of an independent monitoring antenna, which with the help of upcoming the spectrum analysis feature enables the remote monitoring of noise and interference. It includes integrated analog and digital inputs, as well as relay outputs to enable monitoring and control of site equipment.
Site Vantage is available in a compact 1-rack unit form factor supporting broadband operations from 132 MHz all the way up to 960 MHz, minimizing the required hardware for multiband sites. It features a modern and user-friendly graphical user interface, and it supports HTTPS and SNMP version 3 for enhanced cybersecurity.
For more information about Site Vantage, visit our website.